Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Suara saya jelas tak?
Jelas.
Jelas, sir.
Okay. So as for today, we are going to proceed our class with the topic regarding regarding to the logic, digital logic. So yeah. Okay, sorry, I baru ambil microphone. So as for today, we're going to proceed our class with the topic of digital logic. This is the second part of the second chapter. Do remember that for the second chapter, we have two parts. The first one is arithmetic that we have learned before this, and the second part is about the logic. So please make sure that you are on track to avoid you confused with the content that going to be learned. So okay, I will show you one website apps that can be used in order to draw the circuit for digital logic. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. Screen present window software. Okay. Boleh nampak tak circuit lab ni? Software circuit lab ni nampak tak?
Boleh. Nampak, sir.
Okay, this is the software that we call as a circuit lab. It is a free software because it's online. You can also download the apps that you can install in your laptop. So here we will use this software to draw the circuit, to sketch the circuit for this part. I mean for this part of second chapter. So here, if you look at the left side of this window, okay, first of all, the address is circuitlab, circuitlab.com, circuitlab.com/editor. So anything that you want, let's say I give you a quiz or assignment for this part, so please use this software to do a sketch for the circuit. Okay, so there are 5 gates that are going to be learned in this class. So here you can see digital gates. Okay, so we have AND gate. This is what we call AND gate, and we have OR gate. Okay, for the science stream student, maybe they have learned this through the subject physics. I'm not sure during the secondary school. So we just repeat the same thing. So we have AND gate, we have OR gate, and then we have NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, this one is NOR gate. And we have NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate. So AND, OR, and NOT, the 3 gates here is called a basic gate. the basic gate. A basic gate, while the NAND and the NOR gate is known as a combinational gate. Okay, why it called as a combinational? Because of NAND gate is consists of the combination of AND and NOT gate, while the NOR gate is a combination of OR and NOT gate. So that is why we call these both gate as a combinational gate. We combine the gate. We combine the basic gate. While these three, AND, OR, and NOT, we call this as a basic gate. So we will learn all of these gates in this second chapter of second part. Sorry, the second part of the second chapter to develop or to draw the circuit lah. So now, okay, this is the introduction of this topic. Any question about the gate? Ada apa soalan ke tentang gate ni?
No.
How
No,
about
sir.
this? How about this?
No, sir.
If you have question, let me know as early as you could, because I can introduce you or I can explain the detail of the gates. Okay. So if there's no question, so we proceed to the detail, how to detail or how to what can we tell about the each of the gates. Okay. So we go for the first gate. I will share with you the white, apa nama, the Jamboard. Wait. Okay, so here, okay, I will import, wait, I will share the link first. So you can get the link in the chat, there. The second link, the second link. So please get into the Jamboard through that link. So you can click now.
Access denied lah, sir.
Access denied. Sekejap. Access denied. For anyone with the link. Okay, you can get into the Jamboard now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you, 6. Okay, 8, 9. Okay, pernah guna software ni tak sebelum ni? Ada yang pernah guna Jamboard ke sebelum ni?
Tak pernah.
So this is the first time
No.
No? Okay. So maknanya pernah guna lah sebelum ni. We have 22 people here. So 10 people left. 13. Can someone record this session? Because I think some of us may lost their connection. So I hope that one of you can record this session and share the link in the WhatsApp group. Boleh? Terima kasih kepada siapa yang membantu. Tolong record ya. Okay. So 13 people, we're waiting more to get in. 21. Ada 9 orang tak masuk lagi. 14, 6, 21, 6, 7 orang lagi. Lima belas. Nur Azrina, okey tak apa. Rasanya dekat atas ni ada, sama je dia punya link. Sekejap Okey, tu dia. Sekejap. Okey, tu dia. So 16 people, 21, so 5 more to go. Welcome. Okay, tak nampak kereta, no problem. Saya dah paste link tu. So 17 people, 4 to go. 18. So after we finish this part, I will give you quiz quiz about both topic lah, the arithmetic and the logic. So make sure you study both of this topic during your holiday. Raya-raya juga, okay, study jangan lupa, sebab tak susah pun So 18 of you, 19, 20. We wait for 3 more others. Siapa yang tak masuk lagi ni? Alah, tak ada nama lah. 19. So 2 more. Ding Ali, can you get into the Jamboard?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So wait for 2 more to get in. Okay, before they get into this, while we are waiting for this both student to get into this Jamboard, I will let you know, or I will import the picture of the gates to be discussed. So we do it one by one. So we talk about the AND gate first. So wait, AND gate. Okay, for the AND gates, okay, this is an AND gate. So there are 3 things that we can explain about each of the gate. 3 things, 3 basic things that we can use to explain the gate. So the first one is about the expression, the Boolean expression of the gate. So okay, the first one is Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Okay, and the second one is a truth table. Atau jadual kebenaran in bahasa, jadual kebenaran, truth table. And the third one is output wave or gelombang keluaran. Okay, so this is the 3 components that we can use to describe each of the gates. This is the basic one. This is the basic element or component that we can use to describe the gates. Okay, for Boolean expression, okay, for the AND gate, okay, the Boolean expression, okay, before that I will put a label. Okay, okay, the left part of the gate is an input. the input. So any of the electricity will get into the gate through the left side of the gate. So I label it as A and B. Okay, A and B as an input. It's an input for the gate. So it can have more than two inputs, maybe A, B, C, D, F. But for AND gate, the minimum number of input is 2. The minimum number of input is 2. The minimum number. So you can have more than 2, but please do not less than 2. So for the right part here, the right part here is the output of the gate. So I will use the F for the label. F means function. So F is an input and is an output. F is an output of the gate. F represent function. F for function, and AB here is the input of the gates. As I said just now, it can have more than two inputs for AND gate, but the minimum. But please do not less than two input. So the minimum number is 2 here. So the Boolean expression or F for this gate is F equal to A and B. You can write it like this. Allah. A and B. Okay. Or you may, normally we will use like this. A and B or AB. Or maybe you can write the expression without using dot. So F equal to AB. So you can also write like this, represent the expression without using dot. Okay, so F equal to A dot B or F equal to AB. So this is how we write an expression for a Boolean expression for the gate. So for the truth table, okay, the size of truth table is depends on the number of input. So you can use the formula of 2 and the power of n. 2 and the power of n. 2, 2 and the power of n. Okay, so use this formula. So in the diagram that I give here, I mean the gate here, how many input are there?
2.
2. So 2 times and the power of n. N is equal to 2. N is the number of input. And where n is the number of input. So 2 and the power of 2 is 4, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, bagus. Terima kasih kepada yang menjawab. Yang lain-lain tolong respon juga sebab saya tak nampak muka ni. So saya tak tahu awak tidur ke, awak faham ke, tak faham ke. So please respond anything if I ask you question. Okay, so I will bring this up there. Wait. Okay. Oops. Sekejap.
Doktor, ada orang nak masuk.
Ada orang nak masuk sekejap. Saya tak nampak, baguslah bagi tahu. Okay, sekejap. Okay. Muhammad Firdaus. So tu dia, where n is equal to the number of input. Minta seorang rakam tolong rakam nanti share the link through WhatsApp. So 2 and the power of n means 2 times 2 and the power of 2 means 4. So we have 4 combination of input if we have 2 inputs. So what do I mean here is like this. So this is how the truth table looks like. Okay, so we have A and B as the input of the gate. So we put A and B here. And then we have F lah. F is a label for output. Like that. So now 2 and power of n, 2 and power of 2 is 4. So we have 4 combination of input. That means we have 0, 0 as the first input. 0, 0. Okay. And then we have 0, 1. And then we have 1, 0. And then we have 1, 1. So how to list down this input combination? So there's a trick here. I will tell you how to list down this combination of input. Okay, first of all, do remember, make sure you know the number, how many numbers of input by using the 2 and power of n formula. So for this example, we have 2 input, which is A and B. So 2 and power of 2 is 4. So okay, after we know the number of combination, input combination, okay, we list down the possibility of the combination. So here we have 4 possible combinations, starting with 0, 0 and ending with 1, 1. So how do we sort this combination? So actually, we are referring to the arithmetic sequence. If you remember, before this, we already learned about that 0. After 0 is 1. And then 2. Then 3. So 0, 0 means 0, of course. 0, 1 means 1. If you remember the sequence of binary digit. 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1 is 1. Do you remember the sequence 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32?
Yes.
Okay, good. So by referring to the sequence, you can list down this combination, the combination of the input. Okay, terima kasih. Yang lain ingat tak? How about others? Are you still remember the sequence? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, now we want to know about the output of the combination. Okay, let's say we have 0, 0. Okay, for AND gate, the trick is all the input must be 1. All the input must be 1, then you can get the output equal to 1. Okay, all the input must be 1 to get output 1. Macam tu. That is the trick. Sekejap saya panjangkan lagi garisan ni, pendek sangat. Macam tu . So for the others, we have 0 here. For the first one, we have 2, 0. For the second one, we have, for the second combination of input, we have 1, 0. And for the third one, we also have 1, 0. So automatically the output will be 0. 0 means no electricity. 0 means no electricity. 1 means there are electricity in the circuit. Okay, so this is how the output looks like, specifically for the AND gate. Do remember, the trick is all combination of input must be 1. Let's say we have 10 inputs. Okay, all 10 inputs must be 1 to get the output 1. Okay, ingat tu . So for the output wave, how to draw the output wave or gelombang keluaran? So we have A, B, and F. So A is 0011. Okay, A is 0011. So we draw like this. Okay, this is for A. Okay, A is 0. Okay, this one is 0, 0, 0. And then 1, 1. Okay. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1. And for B, I put B, we have, here we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I just copy from here. So half 0. And then we have here, we have 0. Okay. And then we have 1 here. We have 1 here. Make sure the line exactly represent the ni Maksudnya if A is 0, make sure B is also 0 here for the first one. And for the second one, A is 0, B is 1. Okay, make sure the line is exactly straight here Here, macam tu. Okay. So B we have 0, 1, 0, 1. And for F we have 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 more 0 here. And we have 1 here. Okay. So this is how the output wave look like. So we have A is 0011, and then we have B is 0101, and we have F is 0001. So these are the three components or elements that we can use to describe each gate. So any question? Tak ada soalan?
No, sir.
Wow. Ding Ali, any question?
No question, sir.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yes,
Okay, good.
because you teach it very clearly.
Okay, good. Okay, now, we go for the second gate, which is an OR gate. An OR gate. So I replace this picture first with OR gate. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is and go an OR gate. Okay. Okay, so we have A. We still have wait. We still have two input A and B and one output lah. Of course, output is always one. Output is always one. The issue here is input. Input can be more than two. Can be more than two input. But it's impossible to have one input for this gate. Okay. This is F. Okay. So the Boolean expression for the OR gate is, you can write it like this. Like that. This is how the way how we express the boolean for this OR gate, which is F equal to A or B. The symbol here, this is not any additional. This is not additional operation. This is an OR operation. OR, even though the symbol is similar like additional, but in this logic topic, this symbol is known as OR. Okay? OR, not add. Not add. If you're talking about arithmetic for the previous topic, so this is known as additional symbol. So please be careful about that. So the truth table is still 2 to the power of n. So here we have two input. So we just using the same table and the similar combination of input starting with 0, 0 and ending with 1, 1. So the trick of the output is, the F value, the F value for this gate is, okay, the output is 1, or there is an electricity if one of the input is 1. I repeat, the output is 1 if one of the input is 1. So here the output that equal to 1 is for what? For which combination? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1? Tell me.
Zero one, 10, and 1,
Okay, 0, 1 lagi,
10,
1, 0
and 1, 1.
and 1, 1. Good. Siapa tu ya?
Eliza.
Eliza. Okay, good. Eliza daripada program apa ni?
SMP Physics.
Physics. Alright. Okay. So as I said just now, the output is 1. There is electricity if one of the input is 1. Okay? If one of the input is 1. So means 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 will produce 1. So that is the trick. And then for the output wave, so for A and B, we still use the similar pattern, but for the output, it will become 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So starting from We have 0 here. Zero, and then we have 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the output wave for the OR gate. So any questions regarding to this gate? If you are not understand, please let me know. Any questions?
Sir,
Yeah.
actually I don't understand. The zero, yang zero tu dia garis lurus kat bawah tu sir.
Ya. Ini output wave You are talking
Lepas
about
tu
output wave?
kalau one dia automatic jadi garis panjang atas tu
Ya.
Lepas tu yang sambung panjang tu 000.
This one? Which one? Which one? Tunjukkan, tunjuk. Tunjuk. Awak boleh pakai Jamboard ni.
Macam mana nak tunjuk? Saya
Awak
pasti
klik.
guna.
Awak klik ni bawah.
Slash
Laser. Pakai laser.
Ni.
No, ada laser kat tepi tu. Bawah T tu. Bawah T. Ya. Guna.
Okay. Yang ni yang zero punya.
Mana? Awak bulat banyak kali. Okay, 0 punya. Yes.
Lepas tu kalau nak jadikan one, kena buat benda ni dulu.
Buat benda apa?
Yang straight ni.
Oh, straight tu kita sambung the connection.
Sambung connection. So yang panjang ni one lah.
Yes. Sebab dia dekat atas.
Okay. So kalau kat atas one, kat bawah zero.
Yes.
Okay.
Lepas tu kena sambung. Sambung guna this one. This is connection. This one is connection between 0 and 1 lah.
Yang ni.
Ni. Nampak?
Okay, faham.
Yang tu, yes.
Okay, thank you sir.
Welcome. Lagi? Any question? Tanya je apa-apa soalan pun boleh tanya.
Sir, yang Eliza cakap tadi apa?
Eliza yang mana? Dia cakap apa?
Yang tadi saya tanya soalan tu, soalan apa?
Eliza, awak tanya apa tadi? Sebab saya tak nampak nama tau yang bercakap. Saya tengah tengok Jamboard.
Saya cakap kalau salah satu one of the combination, the output is 1.
For OR gate, if one of the input combination is 1, so the output will be 1. Dia kena satu, at least satu.
Dia baca A, B, F ke tadi?
Dia baca A, B. F tu kita yang tentukan. F is not standard. The standard yang standard adalah input. The standard list is the input combination. Itu standard. Kalau ada dua memang ni lah 0001 1011 001 01 10 11 is standard, but the output is not standard. We need to read it from the combination. So how to read it? So to determine the output, we need to know that the output will be 1 if one of the input is 1. Tu petua. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This thing will be quite challenging if the input is more than 2. That is why I give you formula how to determine the output. Because for 2 input, it's still okay. But if you have more than 2, let's say 4 input, it will be challenging. That is why I give you formula, which is for OR gate, the input will be 1 if one of the input is 1. While for the AND gate just now, the input will be 1 if all of the input combination are 1. Semua, all the input combination are 1, then you can get output 1. For AND gate. Okay, boleh?
Boleh.
Alright. So now, okay, we should go for the NOT gate actually, because NOT is a basic gate. But I think I want to proceed with the combinational gate first because I don't want to delete all the template of truth table and output wave. Because NOT is special, NOT gate is special. NOT gate, it must have 1 input and 1 output. That is the features of the NOT gate. Okay, I repeat, okay, for the NOT gate, There are only one, there's only one input and one output. It cannot be more than one input. So it's special. So that's why I put the NOT gate as the last gate that we will learn about. So now I replace the picture of the OR gate with NAND gate. NAND gate. Okay, we have two input here, which is still AB. You can put any label. You can put C, D, E, F, G. It's up to you. For the input, it's up to you. The label for input is up to you. You can use another that C, D, E, F. Okay, but for output, you must use F because F represent function. F for function. So this is the picture or the image of the NAND gate. And for the Boolean expression, you can write it like this. Macam tu. Or you can write it like this. Kena ada kurungan you must put parenthesis over there. Or you can write it using bar. Bar F equal to AB or F equal to AB bar. So please, to be safe, please use parentheses. To be safe, why I stress out about this is because of, I show you the example. I show you the risk, the risk. So if you don't put parentheses, what will happen is you might write the expression like this. For example, F equal to AB, okay, like that. So this is not similar with the first one. This one is not similar with this one. Why I say that? Because for this one, we end A and B, and the result will be not. Apostrophes means not apostrophe. So the result of A and B, and then the result will be not or will be bar. If you write like this, it means you need to get the value of B bar, and then you end the result of B bar with A. So that is the difference. I repeat, for the first one, for this one, okay, it means that we end A and B, and then the result, we bar the result. A and B, and then we bar the result. Similar like this, A and B, and then we bar the result. But for this one, we bar the B value first. We bar this first, and then the result, we end it with A. So that is the difference. So that is why I encourage you to use parentheses. Gunakan kurungan ni Use the parentheses to avoid mistakes. Boleh tak? Can you get that?
Boleh.
Boleh, sir.
Boleh ya. Yang lain macam mana? How about others? Can you get what I'm trying to tell you about the parentheses?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay, and for the truth table, okay, for the AND gate, it is special. Okay, let's say for the AND gate, we need to have all input combination equal to 1. This is for AND, A and D AND. We need to have all input combination 1 to get output 1. But for NAND gate, it is vice versa. Vice versa means wait, okay, this is, okay. Okay, this is the, I'll show you the output for AND gate first. Okay, this is for AND gate. 0, 0 equal to 0, 0, 1 equal to 0, 1, 0 equal to 0, 1, 1 equal to 1. But for NAND gate, it is vice versa. It's a flip. So to get 1, output 1, okay, means that if you have all input combination equal to 1, the output is 0. That is the vice versa of from AND gate. So if you have all input combination equal to 1, the output will be 0. Boleh? It is vice versa. If AND gate, if all input combination equal to, if all input combination equal to 1, then we can get output 1. But for NAND gate, if all input combination is 1, the output will be 0. Dia terbalik. Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Terbalik Terbalik. Okay. So the output wave will be like this lah. Okay, this is the output wave for NAND gate. Any questions? If you have question, let me know. If you have any gray area, let me know. Ding Ali, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, doctor.
Okay.
Understand.
Okay, good. So now we proceed to the NOR gate. NOR gate. So I replace this gate with NOR gate. Okay, we put NOR gate here. Okay. So the Boolean expression for NOR gate, we just replace dot here with this symbol. Oops. This is for NOR gate lah. We can write it like this. And similar like NAND gate, don't forget to use parentheses to avoid mistake. Use parentheses. Okay, this is for NOT gate. Sorry, NOR gate. And then the truth table. Okay, we start with the OR gate just now. Okay, OR gate. Okay, for OR gate, the input will be 1 if one of the input is 1. This is for OR gate. Repeat, for OR gate, the output will be 1 if one of the input is equal to 1. But for NOR gate, it is vice versa. Okay, to get 1, all input must be 0. Okay. So for the rest, the output is 0 if the input have 1. It is vice versa, as easy as that, vice versa of OR. So again, the truth table is like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is for the NOR gate. Okay. For NOT gate, it is special because it only have one input and one output. So I'll go to page 2. Go to page 2. You see the Jamboard up here. We have page 1. One out of one. So you just use the apa nama tu? Proceed with the next page to move to page 2 over 2. 2 over 2. So here we will discuss about the NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate. Pergi ke page 2 ya. Dah pergi ke page 2 ke?
Dah sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. All of you please go to page 2. There is a NOT gate at page 2. So the Boolean expression for NOT gate is F equal to A apostrophe. Or you can write it like this. Or you can write it like this. F equal to A, Allah, Allah. A and bar. Put bar here. Something like that. So this is the Boolean expression of NOT gate. And the truth table is very easy because you only have only one input and one output. So the truth table only have one input. So we have A and F. And so we have we have only two input lah, either 0 or either 1 lah. 0 or 1. Only two input, and the output is, if the input is 0, the output is 1. And if the input is 1, so the output is 0. As easy as that. Okay. And for the for the truth table pula. For the output wave. So for AA we have 0 and 1. 0 and 1. This is for A. And then we have the output is 1, 0 lah. Pendek pula ya. The line must the length of the line must similar. So please make sure the line is similar, the size, the length. Okay. Panjang. Okay. So this is for A and this is for F. Okay, that's it. Okay. So this is the output wave for for NOT gate. So that's it. So I already told you about, I will teach you or show you the element or the features or the details of each gate, where you can detail the gate according to its Boolean expression, one, and the second one is truth table, and the third one is output wave, settle. So after this, I will give you a question or the exercise for you to do. Please describe the gate or the circuit I will give you later. You you describe it using Boolean expression, truth table, and output wave. Okay. So I will. Okay, before we take a break, I will give you a question. So please do this within 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah. So the question is, okay, go to the third page of the Jamboard. So the question is F equal to, no, bukan F. Boolean expression, gate, okay. Wait, F equal to A bar. Okay, there are two types of question. Either you start the question with gate or I start the question with Boolean expression. For the example that I show you before previously, okay, I give you a gate and we describe the gate using Boolean expression, truth table and output wave. But sometimes the question is different. The types or the design of question is different, where you will be given the Boolean expression. Okay, the Boolean expression is given while you need to draw the circuit together with truth table and output wave. So for the first exercise, I will give you the image or the circuit, so you find out the Boolean expression and the truth table as well as the Boolean the output wave. Sorry. So wait. I will use OR gate. No, I will use AND gate. OR gate maybe okay. I will be using OR gate here. Okay, and I will be using NAND gate. Actually, it's easy. It's not so hard to understand this topic. You can create any kind of circuit and you can create any kind of Boolean expression. So I'll give you the simple one, only 2 gate. Very simple. Okay, from I will connect this first. Wait. I just prompt create this question. Suddenly, I mean, I've no plan. I just create it. As I told you, I can create any kind of circuit, and you guys can also create any kind of circuit. So the question that I give you right after this is according to this circuit lah. Okay, and then I'll find this one. Okay. Click. Okay, and then we have, let's say I put here X, Y, Z lah. X, Y, Z. X. So this is the input of this circuit, and then the output is of course F lah. So I will leave you with this circuit, and please find out the first one is the Boolean expression. Number one, you need to find out the Boolean expression. For the circuit, and then try to find out the truth table also, as well as the output wave. Okay. Buat di sini, please do this on the Jamboard here. Work together. Okay, you can write down, you can put the answer here or discuss the answer in using Jamboard. Okay, I give you, I will get back to you 3:20. 3:20. So about 15 minutes. Okay, boleh? Boleh ke?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh, sir.
Boleh, sir.
Terima kasih. Siapa yang respon, terima kasih. Okey, teruskan. Nanti saya tak tanya yang respon 3 orang ni, saya akan tanya siapa yang tak respon. Siapa yang jarang respon tu saya akan tanya soalan.
Boolean expression tu boleh buat macam tu ke? Hello?
Not sure.
Hai, macam mana nak buat kotak untuk table tu? Line-line je. Nak tekan apa? Dekat tu table tu memang tak letak F tu ke? Macam mana nak buat line tu lagi panjang? Line ke bawah tu.
Tarik je tak boleh?
Untuk output nol tu kena label lain kan?
Apa dia Ila?
Untuk output NOR gate kan, sebelum NAND gate tu kena label selain pada F kan ke?
Dia ada 3 input, 1 output kan?
Betul lah. Yang output baru tu
Saya-
yang gabungan Z kan?
Sekejap tersilap pula buat table. Jadinya X, Y, Z lepas tu F belakang sekali lah kan?
Kalau saya dulu dia macam denote something baru lah XY, lepas tu hasil pada XY tu kita denote huruf lain, lepas baru nak gabung dengan Z.
Bukan ke OR ke? Bukan NOR kan?
Sorry.
Cuba betulkan table tu. Saya tengah blur lagi.
Maksudnya macam F tu kan last kan. Sebelum kita nak dapat F tu, Z dengan input lagi satu yang baru lah kan, hasil daripada XY kita kena denote ke tak? Iza ingat tak?
Iza buat macam XY tu kita OR-kan dulu. Lepas tu hasil daripada XY tu N kan dengan Z, lepas tu baru denote kan. Faham tak?
Kira letak huruf baru lah untuk output XY.
Tak.
Letak F juga.
XY huruf baru, lepas tu huruf baru tu lepas tu gabungkan dengan Z lepas tu baru dapat F.
Betul.
So lepas XY huruf faham. Okay.
Cuba explainkan lagi sekali. Macam ni tak faham. Yang Z tu nanti nak letak apa?
Z tu letak 0101 kan?
Kalau ikutkan input dia mesti ada 8 kan, sebab dia punya input 3. 2 kuasa 3, 8 lah.
Apa dia? Tak faham.
Dekat truth table tu, dia punya digit tu mesti ada 8. Kalau kita tengok sini ada 4 je. Sebab Sir dia cakap tadi 2 kuasa N kan, input kita 3. Jadi 2 kuasa 3, 8. Jadi digit dia mesti ada 8. So X tu dia 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Lepas tu Y 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Kalau Z tu baru 0, 1, 0, 1.
Dia ulang balik So maksudnya ada 8 barang.
8 baris.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, just proceed. Okay, Boolean expression X or Y and Z. Okay, good. For the Boolean expression is correct. Okay, X plus Y and okay, good. So for the Boolean expression, don't forget to put F in front. So I'll put F here. Macam tu ya. Okay, persamaan ni, persamaan Boolean ya. F equal to X or Y then Z. Okay, good. Okay guys, sekejap Okay. Okay, row yang pertama, the first column is X, the second column is Y, the third column should be Z should be Z. So just, okay. Okay, good. Okay, so, okay, the first step you need to find out the combination 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, and so on. Okay, find out the combination 0, 0, 0, and then okay, we don't need this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, I delete the line. So we don't need this one. We don't need this one. And we don't need this one. And this one. And this one too. Oops. We don't need this one. Okay. Okay, teruskan. Find out the list down the input combination. So we start with 0, 0, 0, and then next. Okay, good. Okay, good. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, good. 1, 1, 1. Okay, good. Okay, good. 4, and then 5. Okay, good. Okay, 5, 6, good. And then the last one? 7. Okay, good. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, next. Okay, for the next column, okay, you find out the X plus, X or Y. X or Y. Okay, X or Y. Do remember, for all, if one of the input is 1, the output will be 1. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Semudah itu, as easy as that. Okay, good. 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 Okay, and then end with Z. X plus X or Y end with Z. So 0 and 0 is here. Okay, here we have 1. And here we need one more. We need X or Y and Z. And Z. Okay. So you bring this here. Okay. Okay. So fill in the output, the x plus x or y and z value. 0 and 0. 0 and 0 is 0. Okay, 0. Again, 0. 1 and 0 is 0. Okay, good. 0 and 1 is 0. Okay, good. 1 and 1 is 1. Okay, good. 0 and 1 is 0. Good. 1 and 1 is 1. Good. Okay, good. And for the last one, for the f, we just not the value. Siapa buat bulat besar ni? Besar bulatan ni siapa? Okay. 1, 1. 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. One, 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 zero, one, zero, one, zero. Okay, correct. Junzianly. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, good.
Doctor, is right?
Huh?
Is right?
Yes,
One,
correct.
1, 0, 1, 0.
Correct, correct. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so now we draw the output wave. So for the output wave, you just need to draw for the x, y, z, and f. Okay, x, y, z, f. X, Y, Z, F, X, Y, Z, F. Lukis sekarang try please catch the okay, X, Y, Z. Okay, after finish this question, I will give you one more question and then we wrap up the class. We settle down this first and then I'll give you one more question and then we wrap up the class. 01 00 11 00 0011. Jadi dekat sini 00001111. Kos 0011 ni macam ni yang ni, this one is not synchronized with this one zero zero x0 y0 z0 1 so 0001. Okay, this one is okay, this part is okay. And then we have 0011 0011. Here, if you take this as a 0011, so 1 is until here. And then 0101. 01, this one is 0. This one is 0, this one is 1. So this one should be 0. So to make you like this, okay, I will draw you the dot, which like this. Okay. To make sure the line is parallel or synchronized, we can use this. Okay, this one is for the first input combination. So like that. You can use this as a So this is the first one 0 0 0 1. Okay. And the second one is 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1 0 0. Where is 0 0 1 1? See? 0 0 1 1. So it is not correct please repair the graph. We have 8 we have 8 there. So this is the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and 8. Okay. Tak sama kalau yeah. Make the size is equal for each of the column Okay, 00111, 0011. Okay. Okay, dah siap Hello guys.
Dah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So for the Z here, we don't need this one do you want you okay, this one is not needed. This one is not needed. This one, so I delete it. I delete it. Okay, settle. So that's it. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And for B, for Y, we have double 0 and double 1. For Z, we have 1, 1. Okay. Okay, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, good. If you look at the pattern here, see? This is how the wave looks like. See? For the first wave, which is Z, this is the smallest one, and we have uh, 1 0 and 1 1 each. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. But if you get into the second layer, it will be double 0 double 1 double 0 double 1. For the third layer, fourth 0 fourth 1 fourth 0 fourth 1. Okay, what if the fourth layer? 1 2 3 4. What's the fourth layer? Let's say we have another variable before x. So what is the pattern, to your opinion? Let's say we have x, y, z, a, b, c, w, x, y. Let's say we have w. Before x, we have w. Let's say here we have w. So what is the pattern of w, to your opinion? How many 0 and how many 1?
8, 0 and 8.
Yes, 8 0 and 8 1. And if we have a variable before w, so how about the pattern? How many 0 and how many 1? Let's say we have v. Like w just now, w is 8 0 and 8 1. How about v?
16, 0.
16 0 and 16 1. Who is this? May I know who is this?
Eliza.
Eliza. Okay. Sesiapa yang saya tengok aktif dalam kelas maksud saya bila saya tanya tu dia boleh jawab. I think to the person or student that can answer my question and can answer it very well, very well. I think I want to appreciate them. Like Eliza Eliza nama.
Ya, saya.
Like Eliza, I think she can do well for this topic. So I'm thinking to exclude her from the midterm exam. Are you okay, Eliza? Kau nak duduk juga for the midterm exam? Or quizzes lah, or quizzes. Because I learned something tau. I learned is I need to appreciate someone who can participate very well. Saya tak nak. I need to do this. I need to appreciate someone that active, someone that I think that there is no need for me to test the students because she or he already show her or his ability in the class. So I don't think that I need to test them. So if that's the case, I think I would exclude them from the exam, midterm exam or quiz. Are you okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Yang lain-lain macam mana? Are you okay with that?
Okay.
Boleh,
Lagi,
sir.
kan? Sebab saya tengok ada yang macam sebenarnya actually the purpose of the test or exam is to evaluate or to assess student performance in the class. Okay, that is one of the tool instrument to test the student performance in the class. So in this case, marks lah. I will give a question and the student answer the question. I will give the marks for their performance. But alternatively, I think for the student who can participate or give a correct answer during the class, I plan to exclude them from the exam because they already show their performance in the class. So I hope this plan or my idea will encourage you to participate more in the class. Are you okay? Kita buat macam game sikit lah. Siapa yang participate, jawapan dia betul, hadiah dia tak perlu ambil exam. Terus dapat full marks. Macam tu. Okay tak?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Kan? Yang lain saya tak tahu, yang diam tu saya tak tahulah. Yang okey-okey ni orang yang sama je suara saya dengar ni. How about that, Jun Zianli? Jun Zianli, are you okay with that idea?
Yeah, teacher.
Primala?
Huh?
Primala.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So to those who are participate well in the class and they are able to give a good answer, correct answer, I will exclude them from the midterm exam or quizzes lah. So directly I will give them full marks. Okay. So I hope that this reward will encourage you guys lah to be more participate in the class. Okay, that's it. So as for today, saya rasa I will write. I think I need to put their name here. Apa tadi, Eliza? Eliza. Lagi siapa lagi yang buat ni? Who is responsible to list down the data in truth table?
Saya.
Who's that saya?
Nur Azrina.
Nur Azrina. Lagi?
Also me, sir.
Core. Betul. Core ya?
No,
Sorry. Okay, lagi? Ada 3 orang je. Okay.
Saya buat output wave je, sir.
Output wave je pun boleh juga. Cantik output wave awak buat. So what's your name?
Ni Hasni Nadira.
Okay. Hasni Nadira. Okay. Okay, so this is the first question, and then as I promised just now, I will give you one more question before we wrap up our class. So let's move to the page 4. Okay, the question in the page 3 started with the circuit. I give you circuit, so you need to find out the expression, the truth table, and the output wave for the circuit. And for the next question in page 4, I will start it with a Boolean expression. So from here, you find out the circuit for this expression as well as the truth table and output wave. So A, B, O, C, D, C, D bar, C, D bar, C, D bar, C, D bar bar, C, D bar bar. And I put one more bar here. Okay. Try to find out the circuit. Okay. The first one is find out the circuit. Find out or sketch the circuit lah. Sketch the circuit. And then the second one, find out the truth table. And the third one is find out the output wave. Okay. So I provide you the picture of the gate. Wait. I'll give you all those 5 gates, and you can duplicate the picture. You can duplicate the picture. If you need more than one, the similar gate more than one, you use it more than once times, so you can duplicate the gates. So this is the AND gate, and then I will provide you bay or gate here. Okay, and then I will provide you the NOT gate as well. The NOT gate. Okay, and then the AND gate. Sorry, the NAND gate. And then the last one. Okay, wait. Okay, and then the last one is NOR gate. Okay. Okay. So let's begin. Boleh mulakan So I'll leave you with this gate. Kalau nak buat kalau nak guna banyak kali, if you want to use this gate more than one, so please duplicate duplicate the gate. Just right click and duplicate.
Tak muat ni page ni.
Okay. A not B N O C D bar C D bar Nen. Bagus. Good. Good. The circle is totally correct and the truth table ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A apostrophe A bar B. A bar B is you need to have a bar row. Sorry, A bar column baru tak confuse. Kena ada A bar column and then baru A bar and B supaya tak confuse. So 1, 0, 0 A bar B 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. A bar and B. A bar B. Kan dah confuse kat sini. A bar B tu salah A bar B tu salah. Kau tengok sini kan? Kau tengok dekat sini. If you look here we have A. A bar is 1 A bar is 1. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is 1. So here should be 1. See? Here should be 1 because A bar is 1. So remember sorry, this one is for N A bar and B. Okay, A bar is 0. Okay, sorry. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, true, correct. And then we have 0, 0, 0, 0. And then we have, okay, correct. A bar B is correct. But please make sure you have column A column here A column. A column sorry, A column pula. A bar column A bar column. And then A B bar. And then you need to have CD first You need to have CD and then you need to have CD bar and then you need to have CD bar bar. 4 more column CD bar 1. Sorry, CD 1 and then D bar 2 and CD bar 3 and then wait C we have C and then we need to we need to have D bar and then CD and then CD bar and then CD bar bar. So 4 more column here. This column should be detailed by 4 column, which is D bar and then CD bar and then astaghfirullahalazim. D bar and then CD bar and then CD bar bar. Am I correct? D bar and then CD bar. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, doctor.
Is it correct? We need 3 more columns.
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Okay, now we have C. We already have C and we already have D. We don't have D bar, so we need to do D bar. And then we need to do CD bar and then CD bar bar. So at least 3 column here. 3 column here. For this one, we need to create 1 column for A bar. For A bar. So for this one, I'm sure that is correct. I already checked it. But for this one, I can't check it because I don't have column for D bar and CD bar. So I cannot recognize this either it is correct or wrong. I'm very sorry. If you do more columns, so I can check either it is correct or wrong. So similar with the F value, I couldn't check this because you don't put a column extra column for for D bar, CD bar, and CD bar bar. Yes, I only can check this one because this one quite direct. So I can check this one, but for this both column, I can't check it. So please do more column after this. Not today, but maybe you can do as an exercise. You can download this Jamboard. Okay, let's say you want to modify the answer. You just go to the three dot over there, up there. Okay, you can download as PDF, download frame as image, or make a copy. So you can do anything. You can keep it in your inventory so that you can modify the truth table lah. Okay. So but for the circuit is correct, totally correct. And for the output wave also I can't check it. Normally if we look at the pattern 1010, 1100, 4140, 8180, so ABCD is correct. Okay, ABCD is correct according to the pattern, but for the F value I couldn't check it. I couldn't check it because of this lah, because I can't check this one. So I can't check this one because of this one. So after you guys repair this answer, correct this answer, do some correction to this answer, I mean put more column. After that I can check the F value here, and then I can check the output wave, especially for the F1, for the output one. But for the ABCD is correct. According to the pattern is correct. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Any question?
No question, sir.
No question, ya?
No, sir.
Clearly.
Clear, ya? Okay. So itu saja untuk hari ini. That's it for today.